Hello everybody, welcome back to Lion Bull Academy. Today finally arrived the new microphone. Like this you can hear me better because many days everybody say me that the sound is too low and I agree with that, but I was don't have a possibility to have a better microphone, but finally arrived. Today we're gonna continue as basic course about the Etoro platform and gonna be exactly about the portfolio part, okay? We was looking in the previous episode the how to use the watch list. That is what you see here now at the moment. And today we're gonna learning how to use the portfolio, okay? Let's pass to the screen for show exactly what I am looking. Okay, perfect. Now we are in the screen. So we was learning about the watch list and next we're gonna start with the portfolio. So first of all, when you start a new account, you in the portfolio is completely empty. Now I have operation open because I am trading. I have some operation for a short term, some operation for a long term. But let's start with a virtual account. We're going as virtual portfolio for start learning how to use the portfolio page, how to open a trade, how to close a trade, and also how to put a stop loss and a take profit, a trailing stop, how to put your profits in green when they go uptrend, how to save your position, go to break even. All this we're gonna learn in just now. So first of all, we go back to us watch list, but now we are in the virtual portfolio. Remember, you have normally 100,000 euro for dollars, virtual dollars to trade. And here we go to us watch list that we was choice last time, and let's buy some stock. Let example choice. Let's buy VOO. Okay, let's buy VOO. You click here where it's writing buy. You here put the amount of money you are interested to invest in this ETF, because this ETF is the SP500. Okay, so let's put example the minimum that is $50. Okay, let's put $50 and you click open a trade. At the moment, this is your first trade you make in the platform. How you can see what is your trade? Here already down you can see if it's going profit or in losses. You can see how much money is allocated for trading. Now you just need to go to your portfolio, and here in the portfolio will appear your operation, your average price, how much you invested, the profit lose in dollar, the profit lose in percentage, how much value you have it, the sell button and the buy button, and how many units you bought of that stock. So let's now, we want to put a stop loss to this ETF. So we just need to click up of wherever you want it here, or one of these of the price, and click. Like see you see you are now inside, and he's gonna show you the amount, the leverage, the open position, where was open, the current price, stop loss, take profit, and here in dollars, and here the fees, how much you pay for commission that stocks and ETF in X1 don't have. And here also will appear is they gonna give you a dividends, will appear here also the how much amount of dividends they give you every time they give you the dividends, of course. So let's set now a stop loss. What is a stop loss? Is if the price go against your operation and you don't want to lose too much, you set one stop loss. It means that if the price go below that point that you choose, the operation will close automatically with that small loss. Let's set one just for an example. Let's click here, set stop loss, and you here choose how much are you willing to lose. Like example, let's make 20. It means when the price go down to 20, you will lose a $46. Now, the price actually is in 289, no? So let's put 200. Then it means if the price of the stock go down till 200, you will lose $15. Like this, you protect all your investment and just willing to lose from that operation of $50 only 15. So let's say we like that one. Okay, we make update. That's done. Now let's make a take profit also. We click here, set take profit. Take profit is where you are willing to close the operation, where you want to get your profit, your money. Let's say we want to close this in 295, okay? It means when the price arrives to 295, we will close this operation with 92 cents of profit for us. It's not too much. Okay, let's say 300. Let's do it. Okay, we will get €1.78 when the price arrives to 300. You click update, and now you have also set your take profit. It means if the price now actually is 289, go below, it means touch the 200, the operation will close. If the price touch 300, the operation will close but in profit. If it's touch 200, will close in loss of $15 that you have here, okay? So that's one way to make a stop loss and take profit. How you choose the stop loss and take profit? We will say that in a future video where we're gonna start make analysis technique of a chart. Not at the moment because we are now concentrating how to use the platform. So that's we will do it later. We also have an extra option in a stop loss that is calling trailing stop. What is that? It means that till the price going up, your stop loss will also moving up automatically. It means that will follow the movement of the price, but only up. Every time the price go down, the stop loss stopping exactly where he was. In the exam operation amount, you will like it to have it. Example, if you was put that you was willing to lose 30% of that position, he will move always by a 30% of the movement. And when the price start going down, he will stop there for can catch the stop loss. Okay, that's one way to explain. We will make one video separate about stop loss and take profit when we make the analysis technique, how to use perfectly. But this is just for you to have an idea, because we need to explain how it's working all this platform of Etoro. So next we can do it here. We can also personalize it how it looks here. We can go in this part, click here. We can open a new trade, close a trade, write a new post about this ETF, see the chart, set price alert, or customize. You can change the view of all these buttons. You click customize, and you can change what to change and what to put new one. Example, let's say I don't want to see the amount. I have other choice here. I have the stop loss, the take profit in percentage. I have the value. I have the profit in pips change, units. You have many example. We know that we're going to use only leverage one, so we don't need the leverage one. Let's change that one. Let's go to customize, leverage, and change for pip change. Like this, we see the number of pips change the market. You see now he show us that the market is changing. Till now is going downtrend and it's changing 58 pips down. So we can come back here or click in portfolio for coming back also here. That's how we use our portfolio. Inside the portfolio, we have three important stuff. We have as history. We're gonna show all as operation we open and close. Just for you know here. Example, let's put this year and he will show how much profit we make in a year. We have also the second one, that is where we are now, is show as position actually. And the number 3 is this one, that is as orders. What is an order? Now I will gonna show you. If you go to your watch list and you want to open one operation, but want to open that operation exactly in a determined point, or when the market is closed and you want to open this operation, let's say I want to open EVV, this one, when arrived to 350, not before that. How we do that? We click in buy like we normally buy the stock, but here where it's writing trade, we change to order. That's mean an order. An order is when you choose in a choice in price, like 350 example, and now I say to the eToro that I want to open one position of $50 when the price arrives to 350. Now I set the order like that, just like this. And when we go to a portfolio and orders, we can see that is one pending order. It means till the price don't touch the 350, will don't open this position. It's, I think it's easy to understand it, but I will make also one video separate about order for specific it better. This is just for you have our initial view on how to use eToro. Let's say you want to cancel this order, you change idea. So you just click in the X and cancel the order, okay? That's all. Let's open one position more. Let's do it that. Let's choose to open now one position in QQQ. Okay, let's click open. You choose the minimum amount at the moment because we are just learning and need to do it right, the stuff. And we open the trade. We just now open a second trade. If we go to a portfolio, we can see now that we have two operations. One is QQQ and one is VOO. If we click on QQQ, will come in again the amount, the pips that we choose, the open, the current, stop loss, take profit, the profit we are making, and the fees. Let's say we like the profit we have here and we want to close this operation. So we just click in the X and click close the trade. Automatic would close our trade in the profit we was have it. Let's go check the last operation. QQQ close it with 1 cent of profit. Like this is how you close one operation. Now, what is a sell button? Sell button, it's do exactly the same would do it buy, but in the opposite direction. I was make one video especially explain what is sell, so you can look in that video in just searching and you will find the video about what is a sell in eToro and in a broker. When you sell, I don't recommend really to sell in eToro. Why? You can use it if you want to make faster day trading, of course. But remember that you have to pay some commission. And at the moment, we have very small account and we are not willing to pay commission stupidly. We need to take care of us account as balance, as deposit, because it's as principal tool for make money. We need money for make money. So if we start pay fees that really are don't need it, I think the better is to avoid this in the beginning. Okay. So let's click in buy example. You can see buy, you don't need to pay no one commission. Let's go now look in one stock. Let's go find a stock for show you that in stock you have also other choices more. Let's go to Hertz, that is very polemic stock at the moment. We can click in Hertz and let's say we want to trade Hertz. We're reading about this company, we're looking the stats, we are very interested about this company. Interesting, have a lot of information, very nice. Let's buy this company. Really, it's not so interesting, but okay, let's buy the company. Let's click trade. Here, you put the amount you want to trade, let's say 50. You can choose the stop loss, how we was talking about, and the take profit, or even don't have take profit, like let it till you feel comfortable with and close. And here you have one more button, it's called leverage. What is this? It means that your money have more power. If you put X2, it means that your money now is value double. But that is also cost you a commission. Why is that? Because it's like the broker borrow you money for have that power. The minimum amount is 250. How it's written here? Interesting. 250, okay? That's the minimum amount. and you will have an exposure of 500. It means your value will be 500, but already your stop loss will be 125 from default. You cannot make stop loss till 0 because by rule of ESMA you can have maximum of 50% of stop loss, nothing more than that. This is new rule they make it. I will need to make one video also separate about that. It's really, trading is a lot of information. In the beginning, I know it's difficult, have a lot of information, but let's slowly you will understand everything. So don't be in stress when you don't understand what I am talking about. Is everything all right? Slowly you will understand it. By all these videos, you will progress slowly and understand what I mean. Okay, let's close this one. Now let's learning how to find out information about one company for we can buy or know that company if we are interested. So first of all, let's say we don't have here in as playlist, but we want to study the company Apple. So let's go here in the search and click Apple. We go in Apple. Very nice. Here people will writing about the stock and other stocks. So if you want to read them, you can read it. Will be interesting. Sometimes I am also here. Then you can go look in the statistics that will show you the previous close of the market cap have the company, the day range. This means how where he moving in today's, what was the minimum and the maximum at the moment, the PE ratio, the 52 weeks range is meaning 1 year movement, the revenue, the average volume, the EPS, the 1 year return, the dividend yield, and the beta. This one we will make one video again for learning how to do that, but this is just for now. I just want to show you what you can find here. You can find the chart that we learning in the next video. We will start learning how to use the chart, and then we have one more calling the research investigation. Depends, in some places writing investigation, some places writing research. So here you have important data from analysis of tip ranks. They show you what they are thinking about the stock, which one are the lowest target, the medium target, and then high target. If mean who are in sell thinking gonna be in 243 like minimum, who are in buy thinking gonna be 410, and the average price will be 340. Here can show you the analysts, what they are doing and which one are the targets. Here you can see the hedge funds activity, what they are doing, how much volume increase in this special stock. Here you can see what are doing the managers of the hedge fund, like Warren Buffett, what he's doing. Here you can see the sentiment have, and here you can see the insiders. It means the people inside of the company, because they have always some information we don't have it. So by looking what they are doing, if they are buy or selling, that can mean also very important news. So keep that in mind also. And here they can show you what are doing the insiders of the company. So that's very nice. We will learn in this also in one video just complete about that. So in this video, we was learning how to use the portfolio, how we open one operation and buy. I don't gonna show a sell because I advise you that for the beginning, don't use the sell button. Just concentrate in the buy. And when you already buy and choose your profit, or put take profit and stop loss, or just click the X and close the trade. That's it. So you now know how to use the watch list, the portfolio. You can find here all the information of your trade for study them, for looking what are you doing right and wrong. And here you can put your orders. So you know how to buy, you know how to put orders, you know how to manage your portfolio and the watch list at the now. So that was everything for today. Let's change again camera. If you was like the video, just please click the like button, comment down below you have some question. I know it's a lot of information, but I think by the time in the future video you will understand everything. Believe me, it's not so difficult, it's no rocket science. It's after very simple topics, but yes, are new for you, that's all. So you have some questions, just write it down below, I will answer your question. And subscribe to the channel. It's very important for me that you subscribe to the channel for support this community and growing more faster. So thank you and see you next time.